Accident which occurred in the state of Odisha. Now, the death toll had risen to 233 in the horrific train accident in Odisha's Balasore, and that's the update coming in when it comes to the death toll. Rescue operations are currently in full swing as many are still feared dead and are still feared trapped inside these derailed bogies. Now, this accident is one of the deadliest in India in recent times. It involved the Bengaluru-Howrah Superfast Express, the Shalimar-Chennai Central Coromandel Express and a goods train. Now, Odisha's Chief Secretary said that the death count stands at around 233, while around 900 people were injured in the accident that occurred in Balasore district, which is about 250 kilometers south of Kolkata and 170 kilometers north of Bhubaneswar. So, on the other hand, those are the visuals coming in straight from the ground, wherein on one hand you can see the visual of the derailed trains and the rescue operations which are currently underway. The tracks are of course crowded, wherein we can see devastated families waiting for all their loved ones to get an update as far as the missing or those who are trapped inside these bogie trains are concerned. We have over 600 personnel on the ground currently who are conducting the rescue operations. All the hospitals there are treating those who have been injured in this tragic accident. Straight away going across to my colleague Adrija. Adrija, good morning. Of course, we're waking up to this tragic news coming in from Odisha. First of all, take us through all those updates you are getting in as far as the rescue operations are concerned. How many are still fear trapped?
Well, absolutely. So first of all, let me just show you here the horrific, the impact, the horrific accident that has taken place, and you can see right here at this point, three coaches of three different trains colliding together, one on top of the other. The one is the Duronto Express, the other is the Howrah Bangalore Special Express, the other passengers train, and the goods train. Three coaches here have collided, one on top of the other. And as you can see, the NDRF team is already on ground. They are conducting the rescue operation, and it is going on since last evening around 7:30 when this this horrific incident have taken place. The death count, according to the official sources, official figures, what we are getting to know as of now is 233. But what is anticipated that around another 40 to 50 bodies are still trapped within these coaches, and we have also shown you visuals. We have also shown you various visuals from inside these coaches, how horrific it is at the moment. We have shown you that the clothes, the luggage of the people are still lying there, and I would also like to show you once again, see the height, from the track, how the height of the coaches that it has risen. It just shows that how high the impact was of the collision when it had taken place, and the three coaches of three different trains are seen here. And of course, some coaches have absolutely turned over, have been derailed, and also the track where the incident have taken place, you can see the track almost is broken. It doesn't look like that the track existed before. Also, this is another another coach which is which has fallen apart, which has been derailed. The brakes, the springs from the tracks have also been, it has broken away, it has broken down, it has broken out of its place, it is bended out of its place, absolutely is shattered. All the coaches, the situation is very, very severe. Of course, as you were saying that, more than 600 people, the rescue operation teams have been deployed in the location, and you can see the horrificness, the impact of cranes have been brought, the coaches, the officials, authorities here, they are trying to remove the coaches, they are trying to seek out the bodies. Very tragic incident, because we are while the rescue operation is on, they are also finding mobile phones, they are finding belongings of people, and of course, everyone is worried, whether or not their loved ones have survived or what is the situation, the current situation of their loved ones. Of course, some phones are being ringing. So absolutely tragic incident. It has happened. 3 trains colliding. More than 900 people is injured is what we are getting to know, and all the hospitals nearby is already filled with them. Now the Chief Minister have also requested, the Rail Minister in fact have also requested that all the doctors and nurses in the nearby area or in the state come and help in treatment of the people who are injured, to come into the hospitals, and all the hospital local people along with the rescue team is also helping. The local people are also helping in order to rescue the trapped bodies inside. It is anticipated, as I was telling you, that around 50 or more than that bodies are still trapped inside the coaches as we speak. Absolutely shattered. I will just take you through once again that to show you the horrific condition of the coaches. You can see it is an absolute shattered. It is all crooked, absolutely bent out of shape. The entire coach, you can see here, has turned upside down. Of course, as I was telling you about the height difference, the height, it has risen up to, so the 3 coaches, and many people have been injured. As I was telling you, more than 900 people have been injured. They have already been taken to the hospital, and the death count is, according to the official figures, is 233, and it is expected to rise even more. And also, various points of coalition here, various points of coalition, and I will just show you that huge more than 3 NDRF teams have been deployed in the area, and I will just show you that they are here working, and a rescue operation, as I was showing you, is already going on at the moment. We also shown you pictures from inside these coaches and how shattered it is. The glasses are shattered, the clothes of the people are shattered, also brakes and springs bent out of shape, have been derailed. You can see here it is all the brakes, the wheels of the coaches are out here, lying here.
Adrija,
and so,
straight away we are getting those visuals which also showcases how serious this accident was, the gravity of the accident which occurred. We can see the mangled bogies, the train birds uprooted, window panes broken.